Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of H99. Now this is one of the fastest Android smartwatches that you can currently purchase from AliExpress. I will put the link in the description. Seller is Zorwing and it comes with Wi-Fi and 4G SIM support. So you can insert your 4G SIM card in it. And you can also pair this with your Android and iPhone devices, which is really nice to see because most of the Android smartwatches you cannot pair it with your smartphones. So let me just quickly peel the plastic off and show you what's inside the box. So the build quality is also very premium. Let me show you quickly. Here, as you can see, inside the box we get our watch. I accidentally boot it, so no worries. Let's see what else we get inside the box. We get a charging dock, which looks quite different compared to other smartwatches that I review on this channel. So let me just quickly take the watch out. Here is a guitar pick that you can remove the SIM by using this. We actually don't need this because it's really easy to remove the SIM slot. Here is our quick start guide. You can download the application. I don't know where it went here, so let me just quickly grab this. I don't know what is this. It's a barcode, I believe. So here is another guide for removing the SIM, and you can read this if you like. So let me just plug that to the side, and here is our watch. So the strap quality is really nice and the dial is really big. So let me remove this plastic, and on the back there is also a plastic on the back. So as you can see, the dial looks amazing, guys. Check the animation, and the build quality is stunning in my opinion. Looks very premium. So yeah, check the smoothness, guys. On the left hand side we also have some sticker, and on the back there is also a sticker, which is quite difficult to get out actually. So here is the sticker for the speaker. So yeah, overall the design, I really like the design, and the weight, it really feels premium. We have two buttons on the side, as you can see, and there is a crown button which actually comes with a built-in camera, and the result is good actually. It depends on the lighting condition, but I like to see a rotating crown instead of a camera one. So yeah, still there is an option of face unlock, so you can use that option and you can take pictures and videos with this camera. So yeah, overall it's nice, but I like to see a rotating crown instead of this one. So if we swipe from the bottom, you get quick settings, your notifications. If you swipe from the left, you get dial, application, activity, heart rate sensor. And let's check the heart rate sensor. Let's put this on the table. As soon as I put this on the table, you get an error. That means they are using a really good sensor in this watch especially. And as I told you previously, I like to see a rotating crown, so there is no option to navigate using the crown key. But the touchscreen is really good and the speed is awesome. And this also does not have a rotating bezel. So yeah, it does have face unlock though, but still, overall the watch looks great, and you can take this SIM out easily. You don't need the guitar pick actually to remove the SIM tray, and you can insert your 4G SIM in it. So yeah, overall looks amazing, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you are liking this watch so far, and check the speed, guys. Check the smoothness. Have you ever seen that type of smoothness in any other watch? Let me know in the comments down below if you have. I'm talking about the Chinese smartwatches, guys. So yeah, so you can download more watch faces. Let me show you. This watch face looks really nice. The animations looks quite smooth, this one especially, as you can see. I believe that they are using 90 Hz refresh rate, and they are using original AMOLED display. Check the bezel size as well. Bezels are quite thin. So let me select this watch face. Check the bezel, guys, and check the dial size. And you can also change the menu style. Look at the smoothness. Amazing. I'm really blown away by the smoothness. And you can get around 2 to 3 days of battery life with this watch, which is also really nice to see that an Android smartwatch has 2 to 3 days of battery life, as you can see. So there are different types of menus that you can choose from, and all of them are really smooth. There is no lag whatsoever, which makes it the best Android watch in my opinion. And if you go into Wi-Fi, you can connect to 4G networks only. Unfortunately, you cannot connect to 5G networks. And the SIM also supports only 4G, unfortunately. So I like to see a 5G version as well. So yeah, I'm still not complaining, guys. In this price, you get a full-fledged Android smartwatch. So yeah, display quality is also really nice, and I like to see a auto brightness feature in these watches. So, and tap to wake feature, which Hello Watch 4 Plus have. So there is raise to wake feature and palm gesture as well. But look at the text, guys. Looks really crisp and clear. Then the display, seriously guys, the display looks really stunning, and you can also increase the resolution. And you can download any applications from Google Play Store, and you can also update the software if you are connected to Wi-Fi. So there is an option. Let's go into system and see on about. It says H99. I don't know why it says H99, but on the box it says H99. I will put the link in the description if somebody likes to buy this. As you can see, the display quality is outstanding, guys. Let me just quickly show you a video, pre-installed video. And the speaker quality is also great. It's really loud. So let's play the video. And on the bottom there is a speaker, as you can see, which is really loud. And check the display quality, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you are liking the display quality. Let's go back. And the display, guys, is a little bit curved from the edges, so it looks really good. Here is the power button. You can turn this watch on and off. There is also multitask by double tapping. I believe it was the bottom button. So let me just quickly go back. So you can easily switch from applications, and you can close the applications. Yeah, the bottom button, if you double tap the bottom button, you can switch between applications. Let's see this watch face. Guys, check the display. I'm really blown away by the display, guys. Looks really amazing, and check the smoothness, guys. I wish you can see it in real life. And the palm gesture is also working really nice, and raise to wake feature is also working really well. So yeah, it has Google Play Store in it and YouTube. There is Black Myth Wukong watch face. You can download more watch faces if you are connected to Wi-Fi. So yeah, this one looks really good, and I believe it also has an animation one. So let me know in the comments down below if you like to see watch faces, more watch faces in this watch. And there is a built-in browser as well. You can download other applications through Google Play Store. It has NFC, maps, and WhatsApp. You can also pair this with your smartwatch to see notifications from your smartwatch, from your smartphone, sorry. So here's the YouTube application, and check the bezel size, guys. The bezels are quite thin, and it has built-in keyboard, so you can search any videos, which is quite nice to see. So let's search for a video, 4K. And the animations looks really nice on the keyboard as well. The touchscreen, guys, is really nice. So I believe there is a tick mark on the top to confirm. So my 4G network is not that fast, but let's see how the video looks like. Here, as you can see, we get an ad. So let me just quickly skip this one. And you can watch the video in full screen if you like to watch the video. There is only a portrait mode option. You cannot watch it in landscape, which is quite annoying actually. So yeah, still you can watch videos, and you can watch it in full screen like this. So yeah, as I've told you that my 4G network is not that great. So anyways, at least we have that option to watch YouTube videos, but it will drain the battery quicker. So here how it looks on the wrist. Looks really nice. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this watch. The dial is quite big actually, but it still looks amazing in my opinion because of the thin bezels, and the quality is outstanding, guys. If you like this video, guys, please let me know in the comments down below. Click on that like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.